Ever wondered how editors layer videos, add cinematic flares, and even pull off that double exposure effect? The secret is one powerful tool inside CapCut, the overlay feature. Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use the overlay feature step by step. All you need for this tutorial is your phone and a CapCut app. If you are visiting us for the first time, you are welcome. Do it to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos, because if you don't, you are not ever going to see us again. So if you have CapCut in your phone, good and fine, but if you don't, head over to your Play Store or App Store and download CapCut, because we are using that for this tutorial. So I will take it from here. Enter your CapCut app. So once you enter your CapCut app, the next thing you want to start a new project. But if you have an existing project, good and fine, you proceed to do add your overlay. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be taking you from scratch so you understand the baseline. So just tap on new project, and once you tap on new project, it's going to take you directly to your gallery where you can select any clip you want to edit from scratch. So for this tutorial, I want to edit this video. So once you select the video you want to edit, all you have to do is import it to your timeline. Now the video is on your timeline. This is the base layer of everything we're about to do. Now you want to look for the overlay feature. So you find the overlay feature in this down button. You want to scroll down, so you find overlay here. Once you see the overlay, all you have to do is hit on it, and you can either add your video or your picture or even graphics, whatever you want to overlay. So let's say you want to overlay this clip over here. Now you add the overlay, and this will sit on top your main video. Think of it like stacking layers in Photoshop. So now you can pinch to zoom. You can pinch to zoom, or make it full screen, or even put it in one small corner for that stylish vibe. For this, I would like to increase the overlay, so see the overlay clearly. You know, some overlay you can just put overlay there, nobody will even recognize it. So it's best when you put your overlay, somebody can see it and be like, what be that way they show? What's that that's showing? So let's take a look at it, how it will be like. Are you seeing? Yes, where the magic happens. You tap on the overlay, you blend it. You can blend the overlay to your main video, and it will be like, was that an overlay? And sometimes it can give your main video this beautiful look. Now you want to look for blend, but this version of our CapCut doesn't have blend. But what do we have here? We have the splice. Once you tap on the slice, it's going to show you different variety of layers. You see the normal, you see the flitter, you see the darken, you see the overlay, you see the slide, you see the light. Different. I think we should try some of them so you can see how it will be like on the video. So let's try filter. Once you tap on the filter, you'll see how it will be on your video. Just imagine if we have placed it like on top of this clip over here, how it will look at, how the overlay will be like. And you can use this slider over here to adjust how you want it to be like on the video. So are you seeing how? Are you seeing it? This is for filter. And let's say you want to try a darken. You can use darken. You see how darken look on the video? It will be showing partially. Overlay. Wow, this one is so fine. And all the rest, you can try this out. These are tricks, method big creators used to get that cinematic view, that cinematic production, and you'll be like, how did they do this? How did they do that? It is the overlay feature. So the next one I want to talk about is masking. Under mask, you can shape your overlay to whatever you want: circle, rectangle, trapezium, just anyone you want. And where do you get your mask? You get your mask at this button, this down feature. All you have to do is tap on the overlay, Tap on the overlay icon you are editing, then you search for mask. Then when you see when you look at mask here, once you see mask, all you have to do is tap on whichever one you want. If you want to use the horizontal, all you have to do is you use the slider over here to, you can even use it to do reveal. Are you seeing? Now that's for the horizontal. Look at the mirror. The mirror will be showing just one side. Look at the circle. If if the size of the overlay is not, you don't want it to cover the image, you can use a, you can put it at one edge and it will be showing you exactly what you want. So if you want to use the circle, all you have to do is adjust the size you want it to be, and that's it. That's how you use the masking in overlay. With this you can create split screen, stylish text reveal, or even face reveal. If you want to reveal the face lightly, you just want it to be like all you have to do, let me even do this so you see. Then you move it on that key, you move it on that key, you move it on that key. So look at what we get. Are you seeing how it reveals? You can how you can do your face reveal, text reveal, and more with the overlay feature. Now the next thing we want to talk about is animation. If you want movement in your overlay, all you have to do is tap on your overlay, then look for animation. Simple zoom in, zoom out will make your edit look professional instead of being just static over there. You can decide whichever one you want, if it's how you want it to come in or how you want it to go out from your video, or you want a combo of it. So for this, let me just show you the how you want it to go out. This overlay has been sitting down here and we have got to the end of the video. How do you want the overlay to go out? That's where you add the animation. All you have to do is tap your feed out and you see how it goes out. How it just goes off the screen. And even do TV off. Are you seeing that? All you have to do is just navigate through the house, select the one that fits best for your interest, and you use it on your video. That's how overlay will make your video spice and make it professional. And the next one I'll talk about is colors and effects. So let's say the color of your overlay is not up to the standard of your main video. For this, if you already look, we already changed the clip on the overlay because our phone went off. So we changed the clip of the overlay because the other clip we were having is already edited and the main video here is not even edited. So how do we match the both video? We're supposed to edit the main clip, but we're not working on the main clip, we're working on the overlay. I'm teaching you how to use the overlay. So if your overlay is not up to the standard of your main clip, I'll teach you how to color grade the overlay to match the standard of your main clip. That's how big creators, when they are editing, maybe they are looking for this particular video, they can't find it, they go into the internet, and when they find maybe the one they saw is not even up to the standard of the video they are editing, all they have to do is color grade it, tune it, and when they apply it on their main video, you'll be like, wow, you will even think they shot it themselves, whereas they just went to take it from other sources and just make it their own, just make it standard. So let's say we want to color grade our overlay. What do? You tap on the overlay. Once you tap on the overlay, you look for adjust. So once you tap on adjust, all you have to do is color grade it the way you want it. But if you look, the both colors, the main video and the overlay is the same color. Why? Because we split the main video and we overlaid it. So it will be like we understand what we are doing. So let's say we want to overlay. let's say, are you seeing this? So when you want to color grade the overlay, all you have to do is edit it. You just bring out the color. But if you look now, we have edited this and it's now more beautiful more than the main video. So that's it. I'm not trying to make it more beautiful more than the main video. I'm just showing you how you can color grade or use the effect on your overlay to make it more outstanding. So if you look now, this overlay now is top notch. You can see. Not giving more beauty, more vibe. Are you seeing it? And now you can proceed to export your video and boom, just got a professional edit with overlay. But wait, it's not just like this. So remember, I have taught you how to add overlay to your video, how to pinch and resize your overlay on your clip, how to blend for that cinematic effect, how to apply mask for split screen and reveals, how to animate overlay for smooth transition, and the last but not the least, how to color grade your overlay for that pro finishing. So if this video help you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. Wait, if you ever try this edit, don't forget to tag me so I can see your own version of it. This is Coach with Freething. See you on next video. Bye.